What's up, buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazingly golden day with cherries on top. If in case this is your first time watching the Golden Drive, my name is Elvis and this is the Golden Drive. Today we are going to be filming a video that I didn't think I was going to film for a while. Because if you follow my videos, I think one of the previous videos I mentioned that I had sold all my cars pretty much, and I was like, oh, I'm not going to buy any more cars until I end up moving to Canada sometime in the future. But I kind of lied, or I kind of like fell into the whole trap again, and I kind of bought another car, and it's like literally right behind me now. And this was actually a mistake. I did not intend to buy this. It was literally just, I was literally just playing on Auto Bidmaster slash what's it called, Copart, and it happened. So without further ado, yeah, I'm just gonna turn it around, and oh my gosh, look at it. So for those of you that are unfamiliar, this is actually the first gen of the Hyundai Genesis sedan. And it is actually it's actually pretty cool because it's not the one you guys think. This is actually the one with 4.6 liter naturally aspirated V8, and I'm so excited. Oh, it has almost 400 horsepower, which is actually pretty cool. But yeah, I'm excited to start working on this. And again, like I mentioned, I bought this completely by mistake. I was feeling very bored. I went to an I went to an Auto Bidmaster, and I was just scrolling up, and yeah, I saw this car, and they said it ran, and they said everything was good on it, and it was yeah, but it was somehow totaled out by insurance, which I found out that it's pretty much because of the reason that it was totaled was because it was vandalized. And so I called this car actually the Homobile, and I'm gonna show you why. Because if you look up front, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a massive hoe written out H-O-E, in case you can't spell. And even on the rear too, I'm gonna go back to it. But yeah, there's also a massive hoe that is written there. And then the person that vandalized it also keyed the whole car. You guys can see all these marks. That's because they were writing on it from insurance to see all the key marks. So it's pretty much keyed all around, and it also has a few dents. So that's one dent, and it has a broken bumper. So what I suspect happened, I'm just going to describe to you guys what happened, was that the person that got in trouble that owned this car before probably cheated on his girlfriend or his wife, or I don't know. But what ended up happening was she got so mad, and pretty much she just keyed hole on this, and then she probably had high heels. I'm thinking maybe she found out over dinner. Maybe they were having dinner at like Olive Garden, and she just got mad, keyed the thing, and then she just used her high heels. I'm wearing slippers now, but she used her high heels, yeeted this bumper, and that's what caused that damage, because it literally just looks like a high heel kick pretty much. And then there's some scratchy boys right here from just the previous dent, and the previous owner also painted the wheels. But the problem is that all the paint from the wheels, painted it black, they're all coming out. If you guys can see, yep, they marked it all over the place. And another reason they also totaled the car was because, again, vandalism. The person also had a bottle of spray paint or can paint or whatever, and so they actually spray, like you can see that the mirror is spray painted silver. There's like, yeah, all this is pretty much spray paint on the glass, also spray paint as well. There, yeah, pretty much everywhere you see that circled is pretty much spray paint. You can see kind of like they wrote it there, but yeah, and you can see spray paint on all windows, blah 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 blah. And yeah, also spray paint on wheels, they wrote it there as well. And what else? Yeah, and I mean, and I also just found this out, but the window is kind of cracked. You can't really see it very much, but there's like a crack there. And ooh, yeah, then this mirror is kind of loose. And so yeah, they also wrote loose, which is pretty cool. That I didn't know they actually wrote down that kind of stuff. And it's kind of dented here a little bit. And yeah, there's also spray paint on this too. Spray paint here, spray paint here. You can see kind of more of the spray paint, but it's like all over. Spray paint here again, and yeah, more spray paint. And if I open the interior, crap, the key's inside. Dang it. Okay, let me go get the key. This is actually the first car I'm owning with remote control in like a few years. I used to have my 370Z, but I had a remote control, but this also has one. So if you guys look inside, the interior is actually pretty nice. Very comfortable, very soft seats. And yeah, that kind of came off, so I'm gonna have to, these are called like active headrests, I guess, and so I think there might have been a previous impact that kind of like brought these out. So I'm gonna have to find, actually maybe try to put it back or find a new seat. I think this seat headrest for both is about less than 200 bucks. So I'm probably gonna get that, but yeah, and this seat is kind of dirty. I don't know if after dinner the girlfriend or the wife had some kind of diarrhea or something, but that's kind of brown. But apart from that, the car's actually pretty clean. And you guys will see it has a wooden steering wheel. It's pretty nice. And yeah, it's all just kind of dirty, and there's a lot of coins. Oh my goodness, look, coins and more coins. But that's it though. That is all the problems that this car has, and I'm not even kidding, because the car completely, like, it runs, it starts and drives. I'm actually gonna start it, so get ready. Start button, the luxury. Boom. It is so quiet. And yep, I'm gonna use this guy.
Waiting for pairing.
Boom. Yeah. So far, and I'm gonna rev it up for you guys. Oh, it actually sounds pretty good. I think I mentioned it to you guys before, but this thing has a 4.6 liter naturally aspirated V8 that sounds amazing. America, actually, Korea. Yeah. But yeah, it sounds pretty cool. One more time, one more rev for the boys and girls. I don't want to be that guy, but yeah. I think it sounds great. Also, one thing I noticed, look at the mileage. It literally has over 200,000 miles. 238,000 miles, 304 miles. Or 238, 304 miles. Yep. But the engine still sounds great, and there's literally no issues. There is a check engine light that came on a little bit, but I checked it out, and it's just an evap. So like one of the catalytic converters, I'm guessing. Which I don't really care, because Kentucky, we don't really do catalytic converter checks. So hopefully I can register without issues. And I'm gonna open the trunk or hood so you guys can check it out too. Come on, where is it? Oh, there it is. Ugh, that's really pretty nasty. Pretty dirty. But the engine sounds great. And in the ad, they also said the trunk did not open. But that is very doubtful, because it opens if I hold that button. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Okay, that was epic. That was an epic fail. I think you're supposed to hold it. Okay, I guess it went bad again. But yeah, all those things that I've mentioned are all the problems that this car has. Apart from that, it drives amazing, and it is actually pretty fast. It's quick. I'll not say it's fast. It's pretty quick. And yeah, I like it a lot. And I'm so excited for what is coming with this car, because I'm gonna pretty much use I'm gonna watch a bunch of Chris Fix videos, because I think he talks about how to repair paint. I've already gotten the repair stuff for the paint, and also I'm gonna fill in the bumper that's cracked there, fill it in, do body work, all of that, and hopefully get this thing back on the road in the next few weeks. Oh my gosh, again, I really apologize to my wife, because I said I was not going to buy, and if she didn't prohibit me from buying cars, but I was not supposed to get any more cars until I got to Canada. That was why I actually sold the rest of my cars, like my what's it called, the Celica, what else, I forgot the name of the other one, the Celica, the Jag, but yeah, so the Datsun over there, Does not have any safety features at all. No ABS, no airbags, no traction control, nothing. And so this has all of that. So I'm probably gonna use this one for a little bit and then I'll sell it later. And there's something else I have in mind that I want to try to get. So yeah. And in case you guys don't know, I literally bought this thing for less than $1,000. There's so much space in the back. Look at it. And it's kind of luxurious too, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. Because if I go into it and I press the start button, actually starts up right away. And if I press this button,
waiting for pairing.
Look, ta-da! That's so interesting that it has the blinds. Again, I'm gonna press the button again. I'll just look behind me. Ta-da! It has like the really cool blinds behind. Also, I forgot to mention, it also has heated seats. Oh, and it also has cooled seats too. So you can have either that you want, which is pretty cool. It also has, I mean, like, I don't know what AFLS is, but it has that. It has satellite navigation as well, which is pretty cool, and it actually still works. I don't want to show you the screen because I don't want to show you where I live, but I'm just gonna actually exit the screen so I could show you guys something else. Come on, where is it? It's a menu. Nope. But yeah, the navigation still works. Ta-da! It's pretty amazing. There's just leather literally like everywhere. Like everything is just leather, soft padded goodness. Wood. It has an amazing Lexicon sound system too. That sounds amazing. And just the extra wood just shows you it's kind of a luxury-ish car, pretty much. So yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I will pretty much go over everything that I'm going to be doing in the next video to this car, and I'm probably going to be modifying it slightly again, performance mods wise. But again, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this golden video. If you want to see more videos on this car, please let me know. And yeah, yeah. And there's also some other things. There's also more videos to follow this too, because it was a crap show dealing with Copart / Auto Build Master, which I'm gonna probably make in a rant video in my next video, but we're just gonna stop here because the video is gonna be too long and my battery's almost dead. Okay, guys, hope you guys have an amazingly golden day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram for more updates on this car and the Datsun. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Have a golden day. Bye.